Welcome! In front of me is an ASUS ROG Phone 8, and today I will show you how we can put this device into Fastboot mode. So to get started, hold your power button and select power off once it's visible. And when the device turns off, hold your power button and volume up at the same time. After a moment, we should have our bootloader visible. There we go. At which point you want to let go of these buttons, and then using volume buttons, select recovery mode, and then confirm it with the power button. And in the recovery mode, once it opens up, you can see we have Fastboot mode. Though again, here we will need to use volume buttons to navigate, and once it's selected, confirm it with the power button. And there we go, we are now in Fastboot mode. Now in here we also have a couple options like Reboot System Now, which takes us back to Android, Enter Recovery Mode, which will take us back to the previous page, or Reboot to Bootloader, which will take us to the first page we have seen after turning off the device. And last thing is just turning off the device. So in any case, I'm gonna select the first one, or confirm it more like, which will bring me back to Android. And there we go. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.